Meanwhile, the Indian stock market reacted positively to the Finance Minister's budget record's biggest ever budget day rally. Sensex surging 5% to cross the 48,600 points. Nifty is up by 4.74% and 14,281 points respectively. The surge was led by banking, financial and auto stocks. The market reacted positively to the proposals to raise FDI in insurance from 49% to 74%. New scrappage policy for vehicles, privatization of two nationalized banks and the proposed monetization of assets. Meanwhile, the bank stocks also soared, with the government saying it would set up an asset reconstruction company to take over toxic assets and that the government will further inject 20,000 crores in state-owned banks to recapitalize them. The Finance Minister also announced that LIC's IPO will be rolled out in the next financial year and that an amendment will be introduced in the ongoing budget session. I want to connect immediately to Chaiti Nirula, who's joining me more to break down the surge where the stock markets are concerned. Chaiti, many would suggest expected.
Well, I would say the surge is expected, but on the closing bell, usually the markets end in the red, and that's been a trend that we've been seeing in the past many years. But this year, what is unexpected is that at the closing bell, you saw the Sensex end over 5% in the day's trading session, and it was on the range of 48,600. Nifty was at 14,281, up 4.74% to be precise. The benchmark indices have overperformed the broader indices as well, because if you see the mid cap and small cap, it's only up by about 2 to 3%, which is great, by the way. But compared to the benchmark indices, you can say that the benchmark indices have done way better. And I was hearing your point about the banking sector as well. Yes, all the banking stocks are flying. The insurance stocks, you take a look at Bajaj Finserv, it's up 11.45%, and this has come on the back of this FDI in the insurance sector that has been announced for 74%. I also want to draw our viewers' attention to the sectoral indices. Banking sector index, which is the BankX, has ended up over 8% in the day's trading session, and the realty index is over 6% in the day's trading session. IndusInd Bank, ICICI Bank, Bajaj Finserv, SBI, they've all been top gainers on the bourses, and this only indicates one thing, that the banking sector and the financial services sector has done extremely well in the day's trading session. Outside of that, what is unexpected, of course, is the markets to end in the green during the closing, because in the past we've seen it end in the red, and this time around it's not just closed in the green, but we've seen some historic levels come in. The Sensex has in fact broken its 6-day losing streak. What is going to be interesting to watch out for is, see, you have to understand one thing, that the markets are never reflective of the fundamentals of the country ever. It's always something that the players are hedging on. So the market is no benchmark to knowing whether the economy is doing well or not. Right now, you see the benchmark indices flying sky high. We have to see if this particular momentum continues even in the days to come. Whether it is just a sentiment-based uptick or not is something that only time will tell in the next few days when we see how the indices start performing.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Chaiti. We're going to continue to come back to you for more. With that, it's a wrap on 6 p.m. Prime, but do stay tuned. Up next is Rahul Kaval. Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.